Hey guys, so if you tapped this video, you're probably wondering how can you get started into the forex market and be able to make money on a day-to-day basis. This is the video for you guys. My name is Basil, and today's episode I'm going to be explaining to you how you can get started into the forex market from 0 to 100 and start making money in the forex market. If you're new around here, please make sure to subscribe and let's jump into the video. First things first, what is forex? Forex is foreign exchange. We are exchanging one currency to another currency. For example, if you ever travel to another country, let's say the United States, you would have to exchange the money of the country you're coming from to the money of the country you're going to, from Ugandan shillings to United States dollar. That is forex trading. The major players in the forex market are banks, retail traders, retail brokers, and hedge funds, and so many more players in the forex market. Retail traders is me and you. Any person that is trading on their personal basis, that is a retail trader. And the reason why is because retail traders have really small money. They're not like the big banks or the hedge funds. We have a volume of $7.6 billion that is being traded every single day, and 90% of this is being controlled by the banks. So the forex market is a very, very big financial market, bigger than the New York stock market and London stock market combined. Now, since you know what forex trading is, now how do we get started with learning? So first of all, forex information is all free on the internet. We have a full course about what forex is. The candlestick bible is free of charge. The baby pips course is free of charge, and all it's on the internet. We have thousands and thousands of YouTube videos just like this one on how you can get started with the forex market. So some of the things that you need to learn about to get started in the forex market: first of all, you need to learn about the forex basics. You need to learn about the candlestick patterns, learn about the market structure, and you need to learn about the two types of analysis we have: the technical analysis and the fundamental analysis. Under technical analysis, that is where we apply technical tools onto our charts to try and predict where price is going to go next. Because remember, the forex market is buying and selling. You're buying when price is low and selling when price is high. So one of the things that can help you determine where price is going to go next is technical analysis. Now this brings me to fundamental analysis. So fundamental analysis is basically where we're looking at mostly economic events that are happening in different countries. Because remember, if we are to go into deep what really forex is, we're trying to look at how healthy one country's economy compared to the other. Let's say Euro USD. So Euro stands for Europe, and then the USD stands for the dollar. When I'm trading Euro USD, I'm trying to compare how healthy is the European economy compared to the dollar. So if the European economy is stronger and healthy, I'm going to be buying the European economy against the dollar. Reason why is because the dollar is unhealthy and the European economy is healthy. And one of the things to help me with that is Fastball. Fastball is a very good website where we can see economic events, news that happen around the forex market, and so many more. Let me jump onto the Fastball website so that you can see it. So guys, this is the Fastball website. This is the best place for you to see news, AI signals, analysis, 24/7 news, economic calendar, quotes data, and the pro version. So the first thing is the economic calendar. Every single day we have economic events that happen on a daily basis, as you can see, guys. Now, every economic event is going to have these stars right here. So with any economic event that has 3 stars, that is the high volatile news. And how do you even filter them out? So you're going to come here to screen, and then you're going to come here to more, as you can see, guys. So you're going to come here and then select 3 stars. I love 3 stars only because I like high volatile news only, as you can see. Then when you come back here to countries and region, you can only select countries of news events that you want to see only. Probably, let's say Europe, any current country that you trade, currencies of country that you trade, you can select them right here. And then after, when you scroll down here, you're going to confirm like this, as you can see, guys. So now these are some of the economic events that we have day-to-day basis. So like today is the 7th of December, and you can see we have weekly initial jobless claims. These are the US weekly initial jobless claims. These are very volatile, guys. So you can see they're right now, they're not yet published. You can see they're unpublished, and you have the forecast and the previous drop, as you can see, guys. So this is one of the best things that I love about Fastball. You have these economic events, and it's very bad to trade in forex market without knowing what events are happening on a day-to-day basis, because the time where you see high volatility in the market and you won't know why is it that. So check Fastball, and then you find these economic events here. Now the other thing is the news, the 24/7 news, as you can see, guys. So under here we have news that are happening on a day-to-day basis, guys. You all see them right here. You can see every single news that drops every day-to-day basis. You see it here. We also have this news right here also. You can see we have here Bank of Canada retains its hawkish bias, as you can see, guys. These are all the things that are affecting the forex market on a day-to-day basis. Then my favorite part is the AI signals. I know most of you guys, when you get into the forex market, you're paying people money and all that, for signals, so that you can be able to make money, guys. But here you have AI. If you don't know the meaning of AI is artificial intelligence. It's the AI probably predicting moves for you in the market, as you can see, guys. So you have here buy GBP. They give you the price at which you're going to buy at. You have a take profit and a stop loss, as you can see, guys. And the most good thing about it, you can see the analysis right here. You see we have 56.48% win rate, guys. That is crazy. 8 strategies, 441 signals for 4 given out, as you can see, guys. This is crazy. So I'm going to be leaving a link of Fastball below this video, guys. Make sure to get your Fastball accounts right now, and if you subscribe for the pro version, guys, you'll be able to access premium stuff, guys. So that is Fastball, the best website for you to access economic events. Now the next thing, you need a forex broker to trade with. Forex broker is just like a bank. You have to create an account with a broker and then deposit your money there. Then your broker will enable you to connect to a trading platform like MT4 or MT5. So what broker do I recommend? I recommend a broker that is registered, has fast withdrawals, fast deposits, low spreads, and a transparent platform, guys. And the broker that I recommend is Xness. That is the broker that I'm using. I'm going to be leaving the Xness link in my video, guys. Make sure to get your Xness link right now. So traders, under your forex broker, you can open a live account and a demo account. So what is a demo account? A demo account is more of demonstration. So this is where you're going to see a feel of the market. This is where you're going to see how do certain economic events affect the forex market. So this is basically where you're going to be training before you jump onto the live market. And also, this is where we're going to apply our strategies first to see if our strategies work before we apply them onto the live account. Now, the live account is where we're going to deposit money and engage in live trading. The demo account and the live account, they are the same, but the difference is the live account, we are trading real money. Most of you guys would be asking me, what tools do I need to trade in the forex market? First of all, you need to have a mobile phone. A mobile phone shouldn't be very expensive. All it has to do is be able to access internet, and then it shouldn't be slow. You should be able to close and open your trades on a faster rate, guys. The other thing, you need to have a laptop. It shouldn't be very expensive. Any laptop, as long as it can access the internet and you can be able to execute your trades at a high speed. Now, coming to our biggest part is risk management and psychology, guys. For you to succeed in the forex market, these are the most important points we need to take care of in the forex market. So, as you know, guys, we have a value of $7.6 billion that is being traded every single day in the forex market, and 90% of that is being controlled by the bank. So, meaning we traders, we can't control the forex market. We can just participate in. But our biggest goal has to be risk management. So the job of a pro trader is to always control what they risk, but not what they make. It's hard for a trader to know how much they're going to make from the forex market, but it's easy to know how much they can lose. So our goal in the forex market, at any cost, control how much you lose. And there are 5 tips that I always give to my students to help them with risk management. One of them being, determine your risk or exposure upfront. Most of you traders, when you come to the forex market, you care about how much you're going to make, but you don't care about how much you're going to lose, and you keep on blowing your account. So always look out for your stop loss first before you look out for your take profit. Number 2, always make sure to use a stop loss. Always, a stop loss is a must. A stop loss is there to safeguard you from blowing your money. Number 3, keep your risk consistent and manage your emotions. The last one is maintain a positive risk to reward. Anytime when you're trading in the forex market, don't be looking at risking 100% just to make 2%. No, change the game to risking 1% probably to make 3%, 4%, Now this brings me to my last part. If you're coming into trading and you probably want to make money in the forex market, traders, I want you to understand the hardest part in trading is psychology. It's on forex strategies. It's psychology. And what is psychology? Psychology is the emotional component of an investor's decision-making process. Anytime when you're trading the forex market and you have reached a stage of placing a trade, so many emotions are running into our heads. This is all psychology, guys. And for you to be able to develop psychology, this is something that comes over a period of time. And one of the ways to conquer psychology, don't get lost in numbers. And it's just digits. These are just numbers. Most of you guys, when you talk about $100,000, you see that is too much money. And you forget at the end of the day, it's just numbers. So don't get lost into numbers. Understand that money, of course, it's a big thing in our lives, but it's just numbers. You need to accept that the market will do whatever it wants. You can't control the market. We can only control risk management. And when you come in terms with that, your psychology will improve. Embrace the risk. Know when to take out your money. As I conclude, trading, just treat it as like any other business. This is not a job, and you understand that the business takes time, guys. Always give Forex your all, and Forex will always give you what you give it. Most of you guys give Forex just 1% and you expect 100% from trading. So trading takes time, and one of the ways that you can understand trading faster, when you understand yourself. Trading is about you versus you, not you versus me, guys. So improve psychology, risk management, be able to learn on a daily basis, and you'll be able to make money on a consistent basis from the Forex market, guys. So if you have enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next. Peace.